After struggling to pay their mortgage, the family gets approved for a loan modification. But they realize that the relief of having a lower house payment comes at a price. Steve Angeles reports.
Pay more than 44?
Yeah.
With a baby on the way, Castro was already having trouble with his monthly $4,400 mortgage. He got a loan modification under the government's Home Affordable Modification Program last year.
That sounds good.
Shortly after Hamp reduced his mortgage to $3,000 a month, he was shocked to see his credit limits reduced by $14,000. His interest rates went up by 7%. His credit score dropped by 100 points, despite never missing a house payment.
I was trying to use my card and my limits were out of whack, or my interest rate was higher on some of my credit cards, and I didn't know why. And they said, "Oh, well, we find out that you've been delinquent."
Despite paying the new trial mortgage on time, the bank only considered it a partial payment. According to credit counselor Hazel Valera, homeowners can lose as many as 150 points for a loan modification. Valera says in most cases, borrowers are already behind in payments. She says even for homeowners like Castro's that never miss payments and get modifications, bank records can still show you as underpaying.
It'll affect it in the beginning, but after they start making their monthly payments, especially after the temporary 3-month trial that they go through, when they continue to make the monthly payment and it becomes permanent, then the lender should be reporting it as an on-time agreed payment.
Valera says consumers can get their credit scores back up within a year if they contact the lender to update the payment plan and make their new payments.
For one bad thing that you do, you have to do 3 things good. So if you're making a payment on time, it'll balance out the scale to offset all of the late payments that you've done.
Castro eventually hired a lawyer to fix his credit and payment issues. For now, he's just happy to remain in his house as he slowly builds his credit score back up. Steve Angeles, ABS-CBN News, American Canyon, California.